The former governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, and his supporters were at the National Secretariat of the Labour Party for his certificate of return. Presenting the certificate, the national chairman of the party, Julius Abure, assured Nigerians of Labour Party's readiness to rescue Nigeria.
We already have structure across the federation, across the states, in the units, in the wards, we have our structure. But that structure will be further ventilated because Nigerians have decided to make a change, and this change is inevitable.
Obi, who is confident of becoming president in 2023, says he speaks for the hungry Nigerians, hopeless students, unemployed graduates, and civil servants.
Whenever I hear of no structure, my answer to it is simple. 100 million Nigerians that live under poverty will be the structure. The 35 million Nigerians who don't have youth, who don't know where the next meal will come from, will be the structure. The elderly, the mothers, the fathers, the old ones that are dying or BO, gratuity, pension will be the structure. The ASU, the lecturers who are being old, the students that are not in school will be the structure.
The former national chairman of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA, Victor Ume, who came to join the party recently, also collected certificate of return for Anambra Central Senatorial District.
Peter Obi was nominated the president candidate of Labour Party, and I believe so much in him. So I had to join him to go around Nigeria and ensure that he becomes the president of Nigeria. I think a good president is the most important thing for Nigeria now. So this is the vehicle that is offering Nigeria the best president they can ever yearn for in this election.
We have never chosen a leader that we desire. We've only been selling out a betray. But now we said we must follow Peter Obi because he has displayed that example that is a leader that we must respect and follow.
The party says the combination of Peter Obi and Victor Ume in the race shows better beginning for the party ahead of the 2023 elections.
I have the honor this afternoon, on behalf of the National Executive Council of our great party, Labour Party, to present the certificate of return for the presidential election 2023 to our flag bearer, Comrade Peter Gregory Obi, CON.
Our own great national chairman and secretary, let me very respectfully stand on all due and existing protocols. When I was coming here, when NOS told me to come here, he said it would just be a 2-minute thing. I just passed through the office. I was overwhelmed by what I met. Let me thank you, the chairman, and your leadership for the honor of this afternoon event. And thank all of you that have honored this event. I'm sincerely grateful. Whenever I hear of no structure, my answer to it is simple. 100 million Nigerians that live under poverty will be the structure. The 35 million Nigerians who don't have youth, who don't know where the next meal will come from, will be the structure. The elderly, the mothers, the fathers, the old ones that are dying or BO, gratuity, pension will be the structure. The ASU, the lecturers who are being old, the students that are not in school will be the structure. We will create the structure, and they will see what the structure is all about. The structure is about human beings. If that interests you, and go and check, it's on tape. How did he make the tape? was a students' union former president, an alumni chairman president, made a tape. Anambra State University today is in section. They are not on strike. Reason is that in 2011 or so, when they were in strike, they came to my office and said university is in strike. And I said, VC, acting VC, what is it? He said, because of A, B, C, D. I said, how much will I give you? And you'll be able to ensure that this school, they stop the strike. He said to me, this is the amount. And I looked at him and said, I can't pay this amount. But let me tell you what I'm going to do. You are being paid 45 million monthly now. Let me double it forthwith to support you. And that's what I say. I'm not saying no government fulfills everything. Nobody gets 100% effort globally, but we want 100% effort and sacrifice towards where we're going. We cannot keep our children at home for months now, and we're talking about 2023. That university, go and check, got the highest ever given for infrastructure by any state university to date. In 1 year, I gave them 5 billion naira. So it's about the future. Yes, people can say anything about how I manage the resources. That was why I was able to keep 75 billion of Anambra State money when I was living, because it's public money. It was not my money. It was money entrusted to me by the people. It's not my money. So nobody should have expected me to use it wrongly. And I said it now, I've been out of office for the past 9 years. Anambra have not bought me pure water. Pure water. No gratuity, no pension. Because at the time they entrusted me with their money, I managed it. And when I was leaving, like I told you, Chairman, I made 35 billion gratuity and pension outstanding. And I said to them, and I say it any day, it is crime to old people. When they have less opportunity in their difficult time, we must stop that. So it's about future of Nigeria. It's about future of trying to ensure that our youth become productive. I have only one job, and I keep saying it, to move Nigeria from consumption to production. So I thank you for being part of this, and I assure you we'll be committed to it. It is about managing our resources efficiently for production. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you.